All right, everyone, so right now I'm sitting inside. This is an IX, so I've been in one of these before, but this one's really nice. The interior, I would probably go for another color, but right now I'm waiting on the salesman to pull up my car, man. So right now, y'all comment down below, what car do you think I'm gonna get? I am at a BMW dealership, but that doesn't mean I'm getting a BMW. So what car do you think I'm getting? Y'all comment down below, man. A lot of y'all might be shocked. A lot of y'all might not. It just really depends, man. So, man, but these IXs are nice, man. I'm like, say, like a daily driver to drive back and forth to work. This would be a pretty nice car. All right, guys. So he said my car is sitting behind this white X3. Let's see what's behind this white X3. Oh man, what is that? Is that a Mercedes? Did I switch to AMG? I don't know. Is this my car? Yeah, it's the color's similar. What y'all think, man? It's a E43 twin turbo V6. You know, maybe it is my car. Maybe it's not. What y'all think, man? What y'all think, man? Got the wood. Got the wood right here. You know what I mean? Looks nice, man. Right? Looks good. Got the sports seats. Got them bolstered up. Looking nice. What y'all think, man? Wood grain. Wood grain in here looking nice. What y'all think, man? Full screen. Integration. Better technology. Tune it up. Be gapping y'all. You know what I'm saying? This might be the move. They got the car right behind this door. We're about to see what the car is. All right, guys, so I'm over here at Nally BMW, and this right here is my new M5 competition. So, as you guys can see, it is Donington gray metallic over argon brown interior. So it has the argon brown interior. It also has the carbon ceramics brakes. So this will be my first car with the carbon ceramic brakes. So this is gonna be a very, very good experience, man. So I'm really looking forward to this. I got a lot of stuff planned for this car. So you guys definitely need to stay tuned, because we're gonna turn this thing to the moon, man. A reason why I got the 2019, because I wanna be able to tune it. I wanna be able to do some different things to it. So that's the reason why I got a 2019 versus getting like a LCI version. But car does have the black wheels on it, the black competition wheels on it, and a very, very nice spec. So this is gonna be the one, man. This is gonna be the one for the next, you know, foreseeable future, man. You know, we'll see how it goes. So this is it, Donington gray metallic over argon brown with the carbon ceramics. M5 Comp 2019. All right, everyone. So first impressions, the car looks really, really good. The carbon ceramics, I did look over them. They do seem to be in very good condition. Because I do know some people were saying that you want to make sure that they look like they're in pretty good condition, and these do. I don't really see any heat spots on them. So they do seem to be pretty good condition. I don't really see any heat spots, any real wear on them. This car only has 30,000 miles. So hasn't been driven too much, especially for 2019. Everything looks to be in really, really good condition. And the pads, super thick. So we should be good to go as far as that's concerned. All right, so my thoughts on the paint. Donington gray metallic. Right now we're kind of in this room, as you guys can see. The Donington gray metallic looks good. It doesn't look as special as I thought it would, but we have to see how it looks when we take it out. Because I know, like, this color, I've seen it on like X3Ms, and it has a different type of look to it. So we'll definitely have to take it out, see what it looks like out in the sun. But right now it does look good though. Just doesn't look like special, but I may be changing this color up, so you guys gonna have to stay tuned. I do think I'm gonna wrap this car. I just don't know what color yet, but I'm definitely gonna wrap this car. And you guys can check out the competition badging right there. Looking good. And this car is BMW certified. So that's something that I wanted when I got this particular type of car, because I didn't want a car that was going to be abused, and I also didn't want a car that I was going to have to run into issues with buying it. But all in all, we looking good, looking good. One other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a custom steering wheel on this car as well, and I might add some carbon in here as well. So we're gonna be doing a lot of things, man. I'm telling you, I'm gonna be doing a lot of things this car and make it very special. It does have the carbon roof, just like my M3 did. Probably gonna get this protected, get some PPF put on this, get this bad boy protected as well. So all in all, man, really liking what I'm seeing. I got heads up display again. I haven't had heads up display in a minute. I got it back now with this car, so that's gonna be good. Really excited, man. Really excited to drive this thing, get on the road, and then get the full experience. And then in the front, we do have the notorious front plate, as you guys see right there. I'm gonna take that off, of course, but you know, it's there for right now. Hopefully the holes aren't too big. We can get them plugged up so it doesn't look too crazy in the front. So yeah, man, front end doesn't look too bad. There's a couple little nicks here and there, but we'll be able to take care of all that. I'm not too worried about that. I mean, it's a car, it's been driven, it's just gonna have nicks. So mirror, just open it up for me. Yes sir. This argon brown though, I love the way it looks. Y'all know I had the Kayama orange on the M3, so I wanted to go with another brownish orange color, and that's kind of the reason why I went with the argon brown on this one. All right, guys, so we're inside the M5, and the #1 reason why I upgraded to these seats. These seats are way better than the seats that are in the M3. The M3 seats aren't bad, don't get me wrong. When you're being a bigger guy, I like these seats. They got the massaging function, heated and cooled, so that's always a plus. But just the way they feel, they're a lot more comfortable, and they still hug you when you want them to. So these seats are one of the biggest reasons why I was like, I got in the M5 the first time and I was like, yeah, this might be the move. But yeah, man, what y'all think of the interior, man? Comment down below what y'all think with the argon brown. I think it looks really good, so really liking it so far. All right, guys, so this is the S63 engine that's going to be in my M5 competition. So as you guys know, in the competition model makes about 617 horsepower, I think 550, 560 torque, but that's only for right now. You know, I got some big plans to turn this thing up, but everything looks good in here. This is a certified pre-owned vehicle, so I'm not too worried about a lot of stuff. It's a little dusty, but you know, that's all good. But yeah, man, the heart of the beast. All right, everyone, so I wanted to introduce the guy that made all this happen, man. Elmer right here, man. So if you guys looking for any BMW anywhere, this is the guy you need to contact, man. He
absolutely down here in Nally BMW Decatur, we got you. All right, treat you like family.
Yeah, man. He definitely hooked me up, man. And I mean, y'all even look at the little nice touch he put right here. Got the What's Your Forte logo on it and everything, man. So he definitely looked out. Definitely made everything a nice transaction, man. So if y'all need a BMW, I put his information down below, so y'all can reach out to him, man. This dude knows what he's doing, man. Real nice dude. He could take care of you, all right? So, man, what y'all think, man? The M5 looking good, man? All right, let's get it.